How to fix Google Chrome slow startup. Solution 1. Turn off hardware acceleration. Open Google Chrome. At the top right corner, click More and click Settings. Scroll to the bottom of the window and click Advanced. Then, scroll down to the System section. Toggle off the slider next to Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Click Relaunch. Solution 2. Clear cache and memory storage. Open Google Chrome. At the top right corner, click More and click Settings. Go to the Privacy and Security section and click Clear Browsing Data. Select Advanced. Open the Time Range drop-down menu and select All Time. Mark all options except passwords and sign-in data. Click Clear Data. Solution 3. Disable extensions. Open Google Chrome. At the top right corner, click More and click More Tools. Then, click Extensions. Select an extension. Then, toggle the slider off to disable it. Solution 4. Rename the default folder. Open the Start menu, type in File Explorer, and click the result. In the File Explorer's address bar, type in %local app data %google/chrome/user data and hit Enter. Find the folder named Default. Right-click the folder and click Rename. Rename it to default.old and save the new name. Solution 5. Reset the network adapter. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type in CMD and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open Command Prompt as administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type in NETSH space winsock space reset and hit the Enter key. Then, restart your computer. Thank you for watching.